Well, I just wanted to show you my sunflowers. I have taken up a challenge that some other YouTube channels have started called the Great Sunflower Showdown, and just want to show you mine. I've got just a little bit of a fungus on some of the leaves. I need to come over here with some copper or neem oil or both. I didn't spray them the other day when I sprayed my blackberries, but those are in grow bags, and then the gray tub is water container where I can keep them watered. Those are right now, of course, they're in the bag, but they're at least 5 feet tall. They're 6 feet tall, but then they've got about a foot of grow bag down there. So I'm gonna say the plant itself is 5 feet tall. I don't know at what point they're supposed to get 12, 15 feet tall, something like that. And I don't know at what point they start throwing up a seed head or a big flower, but at some point they will. Again, got a little bit of funk on it, a little bit of fungus. I'll have to address that, but I think I can kill that pretty quick. These are just one, so let me show you my other one. The other set of sunflowers, well, I've got two other set of sunflowers, so let me show you this one and another one, is on the other side of my yard-long beans. If you've never seen yard-long beans growing before, look at my video on yard-long beans. But that's my other one set of sunflowers. They're about the same height, around 6 feet tall, but the plant itself is again 5 feet tall because they're sitting up in about a 1 foot grow bag. They're sitting in those tubs. I have to keep them watered. Those tubs, I fill up the tubs every day. And it just got through raining, and it's been kind of cloudy. They hadn't really sucked up much water today. This one here, we had a storm come through yesterday, and that one there, or day before yesterday, and that one there kind of fell over. Kind of fell over this way, but I turned the bag around where it'd be that way. And this one doesn't seem to have much fungus on it either. So, but I'll spray them both down probably tomorrow, whenever the rain stops. It's been raining nonstop today almost. And at the end of June in Texas, take that every day. I'll take that all the time. But this is the other set of sunflowers in grow bags. I'd like to see if somebody else's sunflowers look as good as mine do on the Great Sunflower Showdown. And let me show you one other place I've got sunflowers. So here's the other stand. I just decided to put some in the ground. These are a hybrid. It's called a giant hybrid sunflower, something like that, from House Tools. And it's supposed to get 12, 15, 16 feet tall, and about a foot in diameter flower on top. I got these planted out where I had my corn that I just pulled, and where I've got my black-eyed purple hull peas. But these I mulched real heavily, mainly because I didn't want to have to come through and deal with the weeds, because I've got this grass here that just encroaches on that pretty bad. Want to kind of smother it out. But those are 5 feet tall, and these are in the ground, so they're actually that one's 6 feet tall because it's above my head. And the stalks, that one right there, the stalk on that is about 2 inches in diameter, maybe not quite. So that's one of the things they said about this hybrid was they grow huge, thick, substantial stalks that don't blow over. No need to stake them. So anyway, if you're interested in growing some sunflowers, go to House Tools. You'll see my link below to House Tools, and just check out their variety of sunflowers. I believe next year, instead of growing giant sunflowers, I'm going to grow some of they got some with several different colors, just a bright burgundy red, and they've got some with red and yellow, and just they've got some real neat flavors of sunflower. Not flavors. What are these for? Mainly pollinators, mainly show. I grow every now and then. I'll grow something for show. I don't know whether sunflowers on these can be eaten or not. I assume they can. If not me, then certainly birds. You can pull the flowers off, and birds pull them loose during the wintertime for the birds. Save the seed heads, and then shake them loose for the birds and rabbits, whatever, during the wintertime. Anyway, that is my crop of giant hybrid sunflower from Hoss Tools. Let me back off just a little bit. That's a 50-foot row, mulched heavily with wood chips. Just have a bunch of them. I've had a bunch of them delivered to me, and shoot, I just decided to put them on the ground. So that's a good-looking row of sunflowers. I can't wait for them to stick them flowers up in there. That's gonna be pretty cool. And then there's my other ones up there that are in the pot, in the gray pot there. Anyway, there's my sunflowers. Grow you some. Grow you some. I usually don't grow anything unless I can eat it, sell it, or smoke it. And I don't smoke, so anyway, I just say that because it's funny. But these are kind of a novelty, and I just want to see what, shoot, I just want to join the contest and show y'all that I might can grow me a sunflower pretty doggone big. All right, I think we're sunflowered out now. That's about all I know about sunflower, maybe more than you even knew. All right, get you some sunflower. Go to Hoss Tools. Look at my link below. That is my associate link. I appreciate you using it, and also it lets them know that you found them through me. All right, and their confidence in me and their support for me is not in vain. There you go, sunflowers, pretty cool. We'll keep watch on these. Keep watching. Subscribe, ring the bell, and we'll keep watch on these. I'll show you how they turn out, because I'm gonna win that doggone contest. I am. All right, we're going.